Let's see how to connect two TP-Link routers via cable. This is the primary router, and this is a secondary router. Now I connect two TP-Link routers by this Internet cable. You need to reset the second TP-Link router before doing this process. This is the reset button. Press and hold the reset button for about 30 seconds to reset the router. Now connect the Internet cable to the primary router LAN port. Now connect the Internet cable to the WAN port on the secondary router. Now go to mobile. Now connect your mobile to the secondary Wi-Fi router network. Here is the router Wi-Fi name and password. Open any browser. Then go to tplinkwifi.net. Now you need to create a password for a secondary router admin panel. Now change the router operation mode. Select access point mode. Then click OK. Now the router will reboot. After 1 minute, connect secondary router network with your mobile again. Go to tplinkwifi.net again. Now enter the secondary router password, which was created earlier. You can change the Wi-Fi name and password of the secondary router. Now I am changing Wi-Fi name and password. Now the secondary router will restart. Then connect your mobile again with this new network name and password. Now the setup process is complete and the internet is working. Finally, the primary router and secondary router are successfully connected by internet cable.